Welcome to our collection of eco-friendly solid wood art, where nature's beauty meets sustainable craftsmanship. Each piece in our collection is thoughtfully designed and handcrafted from responsibly sourced wood, celebrating the unique characteristics of the material while minimizing environmental impact. Our commitment to sustainability means you can adorn your home or office with stunning art that not only enhances your space, but also reflects your values. From rustic charm to modern elegance, our diverse range of wooden creations showcases the artistry of woodworking and the warmth of natural materials. Join us in embracing a greener lifestyle, where every piece tells a story and contributes to a healthier planet. Explore our collection today and find the perfect piece that resonates with your spirit and style. Discover the beauty of nature. Transform your space with our stunning collection of eco-friendly solid wood art. Each piece is crafted with care, celebrating the natural beauty of wood while prioritizing sustainability. Our commitment to the environment means that you can enjoy exquisite art without compromising your values. Handcrafted excellence. Every item in our collection is handcrafted by skilled artisans, using only sustainably sourced wood. We believe in the artistry of woodworking, where each detail is meticulously crafted to showcase the unique grain and character of the wood. From intricate carvings to elegant sculptures, our pieces reflect the harmony between nature and craftsmanship. Unique designs for every space. Whether you're looking for a statement piece for your living room, a thoughtful gift for a loved one, or an accent for your office, our eco-friendly wood art offers something for everyone. Each creation is one of a kind, ensuring that your art is as unique as your style. Sustainable practices. We take pride in our eco-friendly practices, ensuring that all materials are sourced responsibly. Our commitment to sustainability extends beyond our products. We also utilize environmentally friendly finishes and packaging, reducing our carbon footprint and promoting a healthier planet. Why choose our wood art? Unique and original. Each piece is handcrafted, ensuring no two items are alike. Sustainable materials. We use wood from responsibly managed forests. Artisan crafted. Support skilled artisans dedicated to their craft. Versatile decor. Perfect for any room from homes to offices. Join the movement. When you choose our eco-friendly solid wood art, you're not just purchasing a beautiful piece for your space. You're supporting sustainable practices and celebrating the natural world. Explore our collection today and bring home a piece of nature's beauty. Types of wood for eco-friendly art pieces. Reclaimed wood. Sourced from old buildings, furniture, or other structures, reclaimed wood gives new life to materials that would otherwise go to waste. It often features unique character and history. Bamboo. A fast-growing grass, bamboo is highly sustainable and incredibly strong. It's lightweight and versatile, making it ideal for intricate designs and eco-friendly decor. Walnut. Known for its rich color and beautiful grain patterns, walnut is a durable hardwood. It's often used for fine furniture and art pieces due to its elegance and strength. Maple. Hard maple is a dense wood with a fine, even grain. Its light color and durability make it popular for both functional and decorative items. Cherry. Cherry wood is prized for its warm tones and smooth texture. It darkens beautifully over time, adding depth to any art piece. Cedar. With its natural resistance to decay and insects, cedar is often used for outdoor art. Its aromatic scent and beautiful grain make it a favorite for decorative items. Ash. Ash is known for its strength and flexibility. Its light color and distinctive grain patterns make it a great choice for artistic designs. Pine. A softwood that is widely available, pine is cost-effective and easy to work with. It can be treated and finished in various ways to enhance its natural beauty. Teak. Renowned for its durability and resistance to moisture, teak is ideal for both indoor and outdoor art. Its rich, golden brown color adds warmth to any piece. Birch. Birch has a fine grain and pale color, making it versatile for various styles. It's often used in modern and minimalist designs. Commitment to sustainability. When selecting wood for our eco-friendly art pieces, we prioritize sustainable sourcing and responsible forestry practices. By choosing woods that are either reclaimed or certified by organizations like the Forest Stewardship Council, FSC, we ensure that our art not only enhances your space, but also respects the environment. Benefits of using reclaimed wood. Sustainability. Reclaimed wood is sourced from old buildings, furniture, and other materials, reducing the demand for new timber and minimizing deforestation. This promotes sustainable forestry practices. Environmental impact. Utilizing reclaimed wood helps divert waste from landfills, reducing the environmental footprint associated with disposal and new production. It contributes to a circular economy. Unique character. Each piece of reclaimed wood has its own history and character, often featuring unique grain patterns, knots, and weathered textures. This individuality adds charm and authenticity to art pieces. Durability. Many reclaimed woods come from older trees that have grown slowly, resulting in denser, stronger wood. This makes reclaimed wood art pieces durable and long-lasting. Aesthetic appeal. The aged look and rich patina of reclaimed wood can add warmth and depth to any artwork. It often complements various design styles, from rustic to modern. Storytelling element. Each reclaimed wood piece carries a story, whether it's from an old barn, factory, or home. This narrative can enhance the emotional connection between the artwork and the viewer. Support for local economies. Sourcing reclaimed wood often involves working with local suppliers and artisans, supporting regional economies and craftsmanship. Versatility. Reclaimed wood can be used in a variety of art forms, from sculptures and furniture to wall art and home decor. Its adaptability makes it appealing to artists. Healthier indoor air quality. Reclaimed wood typically contains fewer harmful chemicals compared to newly produced materials, contributing to better indoor air quality in homes and businesses. Eco-friendly finishes. Many artists choose eco-friendly finishes for reclaimed wood art, further enhancing the sustainability of the piece. Incorporating reclaimed wood into art not only enhances the aesthetic and emotional value of the pieces, but also aligns with environmentally conscious practices. Artists and consumers alike can appreciate the beauty and sustainability of reclaimed materials, making them a popular choice in modern craftsmanship. Thank you for exploring our eco-friendly solid wood art collection. Each piece is a testament to the beauty of nature and the craftsmanship of skilled artisans dedicated to sustainability. By choosing our art, you're not just enhancing your space, you're also making a positive impact on the environment. We invite you to bring home a piece that inspires and connects with your values. Whether it's a striking centerpiece for your living room or a thoughtful gift for a loved one, our art serves as a reminder of the harmony between creativity and nature. Join us in celebrating sustainable living and the artistry of wood. Together, we can create a beautiful future, one handcrafted piece at a time. Shop now and let the natural elegance of our eco-friendly art transform your world.